Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to MAMAKRAZIE239's channel, aka me. Yeah, I know it's been a while. I've been MIA. I had a baby and he just takes up a lot of time, a lot of attention. And then I have my other two and my husband who acts like the biggest child. But anyway, I just wanted to sit down and actually film a video. I'm gonna film the August 2018 BOXYCHARM. It's right here. The theme of the box is Life of the Party. Well, there's the Becca Black Lighting Priming Filter. I didn't want this. I wanted the lashes. But it's alright. I thought I was recording. But what, baby? Hi guys. Oh yeah. Say hi. This is why I can't record. What's wrong? You're so handsome. Why is that a joke? My primer is worth between 15 and 18 bucks. The next thing we have in the box is 3 under eye masks. These are by Wonder Beauty. I really don't use these, like the masks underneath the eyes. I use them on my daughter though. She likes them. 13 bucks. The next thing we have is this eyeliner, gel eyeliner in the shade Chocolate. And it's by Bang Beauty. Like, I don't know if you could use this on your eyebrows. I'm gonna try though. It's like a pretty brown. But I never use brown gel eyeliner. And it's 22 bucks. The next thing we have is this Lippy by Smashbox. And I got the color Brick Trick. It's a pretty color. It kind of looks like a brownish reddish color. It doesn't dry matte. That's what sucks. But it's a pretty color though. And anywhere from 21 to 24 bucks. The next thing we got was a cuticle oil by So Rich. It smells good. It smells like marshmallow or something, like a light sweet scent. And I actually needed some cuticle oil, so I'm glad that came in. But that one is worth 18 bucks. Last but not least, the little palette that was gonna come in this box by Laura Lee is the Party Animal one. And the colors are like so bright. Look. My son, he swears like he's by himself. He wants to be rocked. Like, boy, nobody got time to be rocking you. Well, I'm gonna do a look using the palette that we got in the BOXYCHARM. This doesn't have transition shade, so I'm gonna use the contour from the Pure Sculpture palette. But first I need to go in with concealer. And there's just any concealer that you have. It feels like I haven't done my makeup in forever. My son takes up so much of my time. But it's not even because he's crying or something. It's just because I want to hold him. I want to be with him all the time. I just love him so much. But yeah, my son will be 4 months on the 16th already. So crazy. Time has flew by like nothing. I feel like I just had him. And oh, he's already almost 4 months. If you hear that squeaky noise, it's me rocking my son. So he can at least let me do my makeup because he's trying to go to sleep. I'm gonna go in with this orange called Drinks from the palette. Put it right there in the crease. But how has summer been for y'all? Is it just me? Or is it every summer it's getting hotter and hotter? Like I went to Florida in the summer and that sun was just beaming, dude. Like I would just step outside my parents' house and I was already sweating. Like just fucking humid outside. Like the weather here in Georgia is so different compared to back in Florida. Once you're done packing it on, pull out your concealer. Okay, once you already cut the crease, you're gonna look all crazy like this. But you're gonna go back in, grab this pink. And just pat it in. Just continue to pat it in. Once you're done, put it on the pink. You grab the blue and some purple. And you just hit that corner right there. Same thing, blue, purple. And you hit that crease. Buff it out. I just open up the gel eyeliner and I'm gonna try it on my eyebrows. I wonder if it works. Okay, well yeah. It doesn't work on your eyebrows, guys. Yeah, it's real light compared to the eyebrow gel in here. I did my eyebrows off camera. And put concealer to shape them out and stuff. Now time to blend them out. Now I'm gonna do my foundation. Time to set my under eyes. Contour with this one. Well guys, this is the look that I came up with. I didn't use the lippy that was in the box because I didn't think that it would go with this look. Hey, say hi guys. No, you ain't having it. So like, comment, subscribe to my mama's channel. Alright guys, thanks for watching.